Hey friends, welcome to our channel, and today we are gonna draw Mr. Coffee. So here two lines. I will join these two lines like this. Wow, it's looking like a nice glass. To draw Mr. Coffee's cap, you have to make several lines, and now just need to join them together like this. Let's draw Mr. Coffee's eyes. Fill the eyes with black. Oh wow. Can you guess what is this? This is mustache of Mr. Coffee. He has worn a cute bow tie. So here it is. And it's his button, his coat's button, and tiny hands, and where will be a heart-shaped smoke. Oh wow! Now we can start coloring. Did you see? I'm gonna use bright red for Mr. Coffee's mustache. And coat. Beautiful. Now green for the bow tie and buttons. I will use a little blue for his eyes. He's almost done. He's trying to dance. Wow. But we will draw his eyebrows. Yeah, he's looking perfect now. Thank you so much for watching the video.